Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 4th, 2024, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Loews Corporation. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Loews Corporation, a diversified company with interests in insurance, energy, hospitality, and packaging, has just released its Q3 2024 earnings report. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Loews reported a net income of $401 million for the third quarter of 2024, which is a significant increase from $253 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The 38% year-over-year growth in net income is impressive. This was driven by strong performances from CNA Financial and Boardwalk Pipelines, as well as improved investment income at the parent company. However, Loews Hotels faced some challenges, primarily due to an impairment charge.
And what about the earnings per share and book value?
The earnings per share rose to $1.82 from $1.12, reflecting the overall profitability improvements. The book value per share, excluding AOCI, increased to $87.22, up from $81.92 at the end of 2023, thanks to strong operating results and share repurchases.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the performance of Loews segments. How did CNA Financial and Boardwalk Pipelines perform this quarter?
CNA Financial's net income improved by 10% to $259 million, driven by higher net investment income despite higher catastrophe losses. Boardwalk Pipelines saw a 57% increase in net income to $77 million, benefiting from higher recontracting rates and new growth projects.
Loews Hotels, however, reported a net loss. Can you explain what happened there?
Yes, Loews Hotels reported a net loss of $8 million, primarily due to an impairment charge from a joint venture property. Additionally, higher depreciation and interest expenses from the new Loews Arlington Hotel and Convention Center impacted results.
And how did the corporate segment fare?
The corporate segment saw a significant improvement with net income of $110 million, up from a loss last year. This was mainly due to higher investment income from equity securities.
Strategic initiatives and share repurchases. Loews has been active in repurchasing shares. Can you tell us more about their strategy here?
Loews repurchased 0.8 million shares in the third quarter for $64 million, and an additional 1.2 million shares in the fourth quarter for $92 million. This reflects their confidence in the company's future prospects and is a strategic move to enhance shareholder value.
What did the CEO have to say about the company's performance and outlook?
James S. Tisch, the CEO, expressed satisfaction with the quarter's results, highlighting the favorable industry conditions benefiting Boardwalk Pipelines and the resilience of CNA Financial despite industry challenges. He remains optimistic about the company's future.
Risks and future outlook. Every company faces risks. What are the key risks Loews is dealing with, and how do they plan to address them?
One of the main risks is the higher catastrophe losses impacting CNA Financial. Loews is focusing on strengthening its underwriting practices to mitigate these risks. Additionally, the impairment charge at Loews Hotels is a concern, but they are working on optimizing their property portfolio.
And what about their future outlook?
Loews is optimistic about the future, supported by a strong cash position of $3.3 billion. They are well positioned to capitalize on growth opportunities across their diversified portfolio, particularly in the energy and insurance sectors.
Key takeaways. In summary, Loews Corporation has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2024, with significant growth in net income and strategic share repurchases. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Loews' diversified business model and strategic initiatives position them well for future growth. The strong performance in key segments and proactive share repurchase strategy make it an attractive investment opportunity.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Loews' performance in the comments below.